And look what came in the mail today. Our newest automated chicken coop door.
Yep.
By Run.Chicken. And it also comes with the mounting hardware, 6 screws. Is that it?
That's it. So just use a screwdriver, but
Cool.
hold on.
So we're out here at our chicken coop made from a truck camper shell. Recently made that video, and we have Buzz relocated. He is down here with a couple of his hens, and he is super happy to be out. So we're going to put in the Run.Chicken door today. We love this thing. We have one on the other chickshaw, and now we're going to put one on the chicken coop. And we've had this automatic door on our chicken coop for about 4 years now, and it still works great. We just change the battery once a year. All we got to do is get it lined up and attach it with the provided screws. And it has a safety feature where you can push the button and close it or open it yourself. So there you go, the Run.Chicken automatic chicken door. When the sun sets, it turns off, closes, and when the sun rises, it lifts up, and it's really awesome. Nighty-night, chickens. So there you go, a quick and simple video just promoting a product that we love. We do have a coupon code link below. It's in the description of the video, so you can check that out and save some money. But regardless of that, we love the product. We've had it for over 4 years now. This is the second one that we bought. Simple to use, easy to use, and it's just the peace of mind when you have your chickens. When the weather's bad, you don't want to go outside to let them out. It does it for you. And I think that's what we love, is the convenience of it, the ease of it. And it's just battery maybe change once a year. We do that, especially when it gets cold outside. But we love the product. If you're interested in it, go to runchicken.com. We have a discounted link for you if you want to use that as well. But have a great day, and we appreciate you guys tuning in, and we'll see you on the next video. That's right. You tell them.